One more thing we'll be asked to do is to describe reflections that have already been done. So in this case, we can see it. All right, I've got my original shape down here. This is the reflection because it has the primes on the points. So those are the image points. To find out where the line of reflection is, well, let's first make sure we know which direction it should go. This is reflected up and down. So just think about the fact that that means you want your mirror to go sideways. That's the way you get a reflection going up and down. It's then just up to us to put that reflection at the right height. So sometimes you can just estimate by looking at it, like here, this looks like about the right place. Give it a quick double check. Make sure that L is 1 unit from the line of reflection, so is L prime. Okay, that checks out. K is 2 units away, so is K prime. Okay, that checks out. So the line of reflection is in the right spot. Now we need to describe it with an equation. And there's 2 different ways you can describe this one. Probably the easiest is just to say it's a horizontal line, so it's y equals a number, and the height of the line is 0. There it is. Now, if you check the answer key, it won't say that. This is correct, but it's just going to describe this line a different way. If you're at a height of y equals 0, the other name for that is the x-axis. So your answer key is going to say it's a reflection across the x-axis. We're going to say it's a reflection across, and then you choose one. You can say reflection across y equals 0. That's fine. Or you can do like the answer key says and say it's a reflection across the x-axis. That also is fine. Next one. As we look here, the reflection isn't straight sideways or straight up and down. This is one of these diagonal reflections. So same thing. Start just by sketching in where you think your mirror line should be. And I think I'm just using my head here to look. I think about here is what I want. Now I'm still going to do my check. I'm going to count now and make sure that I have points the correct distance away. So point R and R prime, those are both right on the line. For point Q, I'm counting diagonally again, remember. Point Q is 1.5 diagonal boxes from the line. Q prime is 1.5 diagonal boxes from the line. So far we're in good shape. Let's just check one more. How about for P? P is 1, 2, 3.5 diagonal boxes. P prime, 1, 2, 3.5. Same number, so we're in good shape. That means our line is where it should be. When it's a diagonal line, for what we do, it's only going to be one of 2 options. Either y equals positive x or y equals negative x. So take a look at this line. It's going up. That's a positive slope. So we want y equals positive x, and you're good to go.